Welcome to Mark's Motorsports and Farming Channel. I'm at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky. And this is the Bobcat booth here. And show you some of the stuff they have. You know, you just saw for your tire machine with a snowplow in front. And here's one of their compact tractors. Another compact tractor. Here is a seeder, and I did not know that Bobcat offered this. I don't know if they partnered with Billion on that or if it's their own. There's a side-by-side. Another side-by-side with a auger attachment. And we get a closer look at their skid loader with a grapple, 2-speed model. So there you go. That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Walk around the Bobcat booth at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I certainly appreciate it. Be sure to click the like button and be sure to click the subscribe button. And now once you subscribe, then be sure to click on the bell and so that you get notified whenever a new video gets posted. Be sure to follow Mark's Motorsports and Farming Channel on Facebook as well. And thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you later.